Considering a career in craft brewing, should one open a craft beer bar or establish a brewery? Many newcomers find themselves bewildered by this initial decision. This installment will focus on the craft beer bar, a more accessible entry point for the vast majority of aspiring brewers. In the next video, we will delve into brewery selection and potential pitfalls. Those interested in large-scale production, please watch until the end. A craft beer bar is fundamentally a service-oriented venture, well-suited for individuals lacking prior industry experience. Bar operations do not necessitate massive production capacity. The focus should be on optimizing space utilization, perfecting the beer, and curating an exceptional customer experience. The overall investment is more flexible, the initial financial pressure is reduced, and equipment operation is relatively straightforward, becoming manageable after systematic training. The advantages of a bar or pub are significant. Direct consumer engagement allows for immediate consumption of freshly brewed beer. An open concept brewing area can serve as a compelling visual element for the establishment, fostering customer loyalty. Capital turnover is rapid, largely avoiding issues of significant inventory backlog, and the operational model is lighter and more adaptable. In our next video, we will present brewery construction strategies. For those aiming for scaled beer production, remember to watch.